A judge is granting the release of grand jury testimony related to Mavis Discount Tire and their role in the Schoharie limo crash. That testimony, it could pave the way for more answers about that crash, something families of those victims have continued to call for. Naaman Hussein, as you may remember, the owner and the operator of that limo company involved in the crash, was sentenced to 5 to 15 years in prison back in May. During the trial, his attorney arguing the blame for the crash should lie on Mavis. So News 10 ABC's Skylar Eagle is there right now. More on this order and what it could mean moving forward.
Shortly after the Schoharie limo crash trial, District Attorney Susan Mallory filed a request to release grand jury testimony to other public officials looking into Mavis and their potential role in the crash. That motion was granted by Judge Peter Lynch earlier this month. According to Mallory, that testimony is now accessible by Saratoga County DA Karen Hagan and the U.S. Attorney's Office. Neither Hagan nor the U.S. Attorney's Office have announced any formal criminal probe into the company. Back in May, Hagan requested information from New York State Police related to their investigations into Mavis. At the time, she told News 10 she was looking into the company's conduct and how it related to the crash. Families of the victims in this crash called for Mavis to be held accountable after employees testified they falsified inspection records and did not complete necessary work on the 2001 Ford Excursion limo involved in the crash. Mavis is not currently facing criminal charges, but there are civil suits against the company by families of the victims. Some of those suits were settled in principle. The new developments come as the district attorney's office anticipates an appeal by Hussein's legal team. Hussein is currently serving a 5 to 15-year sentence in Clinton Correctional Facility. His attorneys recently applied for bail pending appeal, which was denied in August. According to documents obtained by News 10, Hussein is scheduled to appear before the parole board in January 2028. Reporting in Albany, Skylar Eagle, News 10 ABC.
Thank you, Skylar.